Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily change the mic volume for your Windows 11. So what you need to do is pretty straightforward. Go to the bottom to start and right click on it and settings. By the way, if this video will be helpful guys, what you can do is write in a search that write in the comments that this video was helpful for other people. Now then go to System and Sound under Display, and then scroll down below and you're gonna have the volume right here on the input. You're gonna see the microphone. You're gonna see the microphone here. You're gonna see the add device, and then what you can do is to simply change the volume, whatever you want. So this is pretty much it how you do it. If you're gonna have any questions guys, ask them down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.